The Wealthy Gardener, a book by John Soforic. In The Wealthy Gardener, John Soforic tells a father-son style story about money, discipline, patience, and legacy. The book uses gardening as a metaphor for building wealth. You plant seeds, nurture them, wait, and eventually harvest the results. What makes this book powerful is that it doesn't just talk about making money. It talks about becoming the kind of person who can sustain wealth and meaning. Today, I'll break the book into chapters, explain the key ideas in each one, and share examples from the story so the lessons feel practical and easy to remember. Chapter 1. The Seasons of Life. This first chapter sets the tone for the whole book. The message is simple but deep. Life has seasons, and each season asks something different from us. 1. You can't rush every phase of life. The book explains that youth is for learning, adulthood is for building, and later life is for enjoying the fruits of that work. A lot of people panic when they feel behind, but Soforic reminds us that progress has its own timing. 2. Wealth grows like a garden. You don't plant seeds and expect fruit the next day. In the same way, money built through discipline takes time. This idea teaches patience, because real wealth usually comes from years of consistent effort, not lucky breaks. 3. Every season has value. The book doesn't say only one part of life matters. Instead, it shows that each phase contributes to the whole journey. Even struggle has purpose because it can teach habits, humility, and resilience. In this chapter, the author uses the garden as a living example. The soil, the seasons, and the harvest all represent the process of becoming financially and personally mature. Chapter 2. The Mindset of Wealth. This chapter shifts from timing to attitude. Soforic makes it clear that wealth starts in the mind long before it shows up in the bank account. 1. Wealth begins with clarity. People who build lasting prosperity know what they want and why they want it. Without direction, money gets wasted on distractions. The book suggests that purpose gives your financial life structure. 2. Discomfort is part of growth. The Wealthy Gardener does not promise an easy life. Instead, he shows that many good things require sacrifice, discipline, and delayed gratification. You often have to give up short-term comfort to create long-term freedom. 3. Your standards shape your life. One of the book's strongest lessons is that people often accept less than they should. If you tolerate low standards in work, relationships, or money habits, that becomes your reality. The book pushes readers to raise their expectations. An example from the book is the father-like guidance given to younger men who want success but still need to mature. The lesson is that mindset is not motivational fluff. It is the foundation of every financial decision. Chapter 3. Work and Meaning. This chapter connects money with purpose. Soforic doesn't treat work as something to merely survive. He treats it as a tool for growth and contribution. 1. Good work creates dignity. The book shows that earning money honestly and skillfully builds self-respect. Work becomes more than a paycheck when it helps you develop capability and character. 2. Income follows value. Instead of obsessing over quick money, the book encourages readers to become more useful, more disciplined, and more reliable. As your value grows, your income can grow too. 3. Purpose makes effort sustainable. When work has meaning, people are more willing to endure the hard parts. The book suggests that chasing money alone is exhausting, but chasing a worthy mission gives energy and direction. A sample idea from the story is that the Wealthy Gardener built his life through consistent, patient work over time. He didn't stumble into success. He cultivated it the way a gardener cultivates land. Chapter 4. Spending and Debt. This chapter is where the book becomes especially practical. Soforic warns that many people never become wealthy because their spending habits quietly destroy their future. 1. Small leaks sink big ships. The book shows that daily spending choices matter far more than people think. Money disappears not only through major mistakes, but through repeated habits that seem harmless in the moment. 2. Debt can steal freedom. One of the strongest warnings in the book is against becoming trapped by obligations. Debt may give temporary comfort, but it often creates long-term pressure and limits your choices. 3. Control matters more than income. The book makes the point that some people earn a lot and still live paycheck to paycheck, while others earn less but build wealth steadily. The difference is not just income, it is discipline. The book gives the sense that financial freedom begins when you stop letting your impulses make decisions for you. The gardener's wisdom is not about deprivation, it is about control and intention. Chapter 5. Patience and Long-Term Growth. This chapter is one of the most important because it explains why so many people fail at wealth building. They want results too soon. 1. Wealth takes time to compound. The book emphasizes that results often look slow at first, but if you keep planting, saving, investing, and learning, the payoff can become much larger later. 2. Consistency beats intensity. Many people make a few strong efforts and then quit. Soforic argues that steady, repeated actions matter more than occasional bursts of motivation. 3. A long view protects you from panic. When people focus only on the short term, they make emotional decisions. A long-term mindset helps you stay calm, especially when progress feels invisible. A sample from the book's farming metaphor makes this easy to understand. No gardener complains that a seed is useless after 1 week. He knows growth is happening underground before it is visible above ground. Chapter 6. Discipline and Perseverance. This chapter turns the spotlight on character. The book argues that wealth is not only built through smart choices, but through the ability to keep going when life gets hard. 1. Discipline turns goals into habits. Good intentions are not enough. The book shows that what really changes your life is repeated behavior. Saving regularly, working consistently, and keeping promises to yourself. 2. Hard seasons are part of the process. The wealthy gardener doesn't pretend life is fair or easy. He shows that setbacks, disappointment, and frustration are normal. What matters is how you respond. 3. Perseverance builds confidence. Every time you stay committed through difficulty, you prove to yourself that you can be trusted. That trust becomes a foundation for bigger victories later. A strong example from the book is the way the gardener reflects on years of effort before success is fully visible. The message is that perseverance is not glamorous, but it is powerful. Chapter 7. Legacy and Giving. The final chapter lifts the story beyond money. Soforic makes it clear that true wealth is not just about having more. It is about passing on wisdom, stability, and purpose. 1. Wealth should outlive you. The book suggests that financial success is incomplete if it only benefits one generation. Real wealth creates a future for the people who come after you. 2. Teaching is part of stewardship. Money alone is not enough if the next generation doesn't know how to handle it. That's why the book focuses so much on lessons, values, and character. 3. Giving gives wealth meaning. The gardener's life shows that prosperity becomes richer when it serves others. Giving is not just charity. It is a sign that you understand wealth as responsibility. The father-son structure of the book supports this idea beautifully. The story itself is an act of legacy, because the gardener is not only sharing money lessons, he is sharing a way of life. The wealthy gardener reminds us that wealth is grown, not grabbed. It is built through patience, discipline, wise habits, and a long-term vision that values both money and meaning. If you take anything from this book, let it be this: plant wisely, stay consistent, and trust the process. Thanks for watching. And before you go, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for the YouTube page so you don't miss the next book summary.